So guys, our new Boulder solar panels got a little bigger, a little stronger, and a little more powerful. So the Boulder 50 is replacing the old Boulder 30s, and our Boulder 100s are now replacing our old Boulder 90s. So we've got a nice ecosystem going here. We've still got the tempered glass, the aluminum frames, and now reinforced corners to be able to go out and play wherever you happen to be out there. So our new Boulder lineup all comes with integrated kickstands. These allow you to tilt your solar panel to point them at the sun for more solar production. It's pretty sweet. Just on a nice little hinge, this kickstand folds in flush with the panel, and as you pull it out, you just lean the solar panel back, point it towards the sun, and you start producing and charging your batteries. The kickstand is built so it's integrated to a little less than a 45-degree angle. Since most solar panels and most outdoor play happens in the summertime, we wanted to capture more of that summer sun when it's more direct overhead and less out on the horizon. So we've tried to optimize this angle for your benefit. So we've made a decision to get away from the MC4 cables and stick to the 8mm barrel jacks. This is going to be a safety precaution so that we can only chain our panels in parallel, so everything stays at a nice safe 12 volts for the user. With our 8mm chaining cable, we can chain up to 4 of any of our solar panels here that have the 8mm barrel jack to plug in through the Anderson power pole. Just grab the barrel jack from the solar panel. As you plug it in, make sure you push hard enough to hear it snap into place, and that's going to give you a nice, strong, sturdy connection to make sure that you're always transmitting power to your battery. As you can see, our panels come in slightly different form factors between the 50, the 100, and the 100 briefcase. The briefcase has a sweet carrying handle so it can go wherever you go, and it comes with a bag so you can stuff the panels in there, keep them nice and safe from getting scratched while you're out traveling. The Boulder 50 and the Boulder 100 both have the kickstand, which is a sweet tilt option for portability, but that kickstand's also removable just in case you do want to permanently mount these solar panels to any roof. And those are our brand new Boulder solar panels with improved features and capabilities for a wonderful user experience. And if you need any more information or for purchasing, just go to goalzero.com.
The Nomad line of portable solar panels is built tough for mobile base camps and off-grid adventures. The Nomad 50 and Nomad 100, the largest in the line, are perfect for longer trips when you need more power without sacrificing packability. The versatile 4-panel design makes it easy to unfold and collect solar power while stationary, then quickly pack down to easily stow in your vehicle while on the move. Pair the Nomad 50 and the Nomad 100 with any of our Yeti Power Stations or medium-sized power banks to keep laptops charged, run portable fridges, and power all your essential electronics. You are also able to direct charge your USB devices with the included USB-A port. Both feature 4 monocrystalline panels sealed in a protective enclosure, attachment loops that allow you to strap the panel to vehicles, tents, and more, built-in charging cables for GoalZero Yeti Power Stations, Sherpa power banks, and USB devices, and an integrated mesh case keeps cables organized and protected. The Nomad 50 comes with built-in 8mm chaining capabilities, allowing you to chain up to 3 Nomad 50 panels for a total of 150 watts. For the Nomad 100, use the GoalZero 4X 8mm combiner cable to chain up to 4 Nomad 100s into our larger Yeti Power Stations. Whether you're heading out on an extended expedition or you want to have some portable solar power on hand in an emergency, our Nomad portable solar panels are ready to help you power anything, anywhere.
We started with a simple idea, that human potential should never be limited by lack of resources. We wanted a way to help people better their own lives. Our very first products were a simple battery, solar panel, and LED light that help people lift themselves out of difficult circumstances, providing them with the basic means to improve their lives. After seeing the impact they had on people, we wondered, where else could our products be of use? We went on to pioneer an entire category of sustainable, portable power solutions engineered to improve life across the vast spectrum of human experience. We help people get out further and stay out longer. Prepare for the unexpected and connect with those who matter most. But we're not stopping here. So long as there are adventures to be had, communities to keep safe, and friends and families to connect with, we'll keep creating new ways to power them. This is Goal Zero. Power anything, anywhere.